All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading day, and you can already see my analysis. So I'm gonna just say I'm bearish on the day. I'm bearish on the day, but we're close to all-time highs, so we could just continue to go up. Just because we're all-time high doesn't mean we're gonna have to go down. We can also just continue to go up. So I said that like 3 times already before. No, because I said that on Monday, but I didn't trade on Monday, so I didn't record anything on Monday. But if we go up high like unnecessarily, probably don't even want to trade. But if a strategy presents itself, inverse thingy, like so let's say it goes all the way up. Oh yeah, actually let's say it goes all the way. It goes up. Yeah, we get a equilibrium, retraces back to equilibrium, goes out, then I might take that long. But I think I'm only taking like one, maybe two minis because, all time highs and it's not really following my strategy. I want to see, you know, inverse and or a break of structure, um, and then a retracement. And I don't know if I added anything. Oh yeah, and if there's a rejection block and the retracement goes into the rejection block, that's even more. And an SMT would be even better. That's like an A plus setup right there. But let's quickly break down my analysis. We got 3 minutes until market open. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour, there's no fair value gaps. Like I said, we're gonna retrace and then go up to it. We retrace, so we're targeting next liquidity spot. Next liquidity spot is right here. So once we hit it, we could just hit it. No, it may look like we hit it. It may look like we hit it, guys, but we did not. Come on, you gotta keep your eyes open. So next liquidity spot to be hit is this right here. That is also all-time highs. So if we go right there, we could just continue to go up higher. If we look in the 1 hour, just overall uptrend. But once market opens, things can be unpredictable. We look into the 15 minute. There's no 15 minute for value gaps in 2 minutes. Oh, actually, sorry, there is right here and another right here. But both of these got inverse, and this is the only one right here, right? And it's about to be. It looks like it could be inversed in about 2 minutes. So market opens. Let's see. Yeah, so like I think we're just gonna target this. I am bearish on the day, but if we continue to go up, if we go up, we can just continue to go up. But if I see a sharp decline off our here and then we start going down, that's just like booyah, jackpot. No, more like booyah, jackpot. There we go. Yeah, so 15 minute right there. We do have all these low resistance liquidity. That we do want to maybe hit, and then age of lows. And then actually, you know what? If we go bypass all of these and hit age of lows, I might want to see the bounce up with a yeah, I may want to see the bounce up off of age of lows, and we can just get a break of structure, a retracement, and boom, we can hit for some longs. So if that opportunity brings itself right there, boom, that's awesome. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't really want to trade today. No, do I want to trade? Yeah, I don't really want to trade today. Actually, I want to watch. There's a new episode of The Boys, new episode of The Invincibles. I need to take a dump right now. I don't know if that's bad. I'm not gonna say it, but something about me taking a dump doesn't feel right. We go into the 15 minute. Sorry, that was the 15 minute. Going to 5 minutes. It's showing off the pattern of hitting age of highs, right? And then we're gonna go down, go up, and then market open, and then go down. That's the pattern. Whenever there's highs, so boom, we hit it. Uh, we want to do this, and then we go down, and we usually do this whole move. This is the market open, and we usually do this whole move. That looks wrong. We usually do this whole move after market. So we usually like this would be market open, it go up and then go down. But I still think it's gonna make the pattern. But it looks like it's just gonna go down off the market open. Off of market, it will usually go up and then down. But it looks like just down. Let's see what we're gonna get. Yeah, straight down. See, told you guys. Let's go. The 15 minute was inverted. 15 minute was inverted, so let's just do this little chat that. Let's look into 15 minute. Yeah, look, so you know 15 minute candle, and we ended it with open. Do we have any inverse? No, sorry, any SMTs? We do have a bearish SMT right there. So if we do, what I preferably want to happen is actually, yeah, I want it to go down. I want it to hit all these lows, and we can bounce off of these lows and just, oh, let me not change that. can just bounce off of these lows, like either here or here or here or here. Like, you know, we'll just see which one. You know, we'll just see. Yeah. I guess I'll update you guys when I see a break of structure and or inverse with the equilibrium, and then yeah, but it has to hit these spots. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Looks like it's looking good right now. You know, there's no news today. Yeah, Wednesday, and so yeah, not the best, but it's a Wednesday. It's not like it's no news Monday, which I hate, which I always find myself losing. And you know, no news Monday is choppy. You know, if it's chop right now, if it's gonna move chop, then I'm not gonna trade. But you know, it's Wednesday, no news Wednesday. So I don't know if I really want to look in for like 5 minis. We'll see if the setup is A+. If it is, then boom, I'll take it. But yeah, if it's feeling confident, if it's looking confident, then yeah, yeah, I'll get back with you guys with a trade. All right, so yeah, you just saw me took that. I'm only in one micro, since this isn't the like it's good, but you know, like I'm really giving it like I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have a tight stop loss. Going for a 1-to-1. I'm not gonna, yeah, tight stop loss, to be honest. Probably not the best idea to have a tight stop loss, but I'm gonna go from a 1-to-1. And I'm taking this long. Let me explain it real quick. If we get stopped out, I'm gonna put it right here at this candle actually. I don't really care. So explanation, inverse, there. Yeah, we might want to hit these highs and just like reject.
Stop filled.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. I mean, maybe I can look for another setup. Maybe I can look like when you got this going on, it's really hard to say, you know. And I don't know. I just not really the best. Like, I'll be honest, like shorts were looking good because we just broke this, had this major thing. We had this fair value gap like inversed. Oh strap! I know someone who lost. I know someone who took a short. Someone took a short right here and they lost because I had the stop loss right here. GG's. Wow, because of that inverse right there. GG's, I guess. But yeah, like shorts unnecessarily don't look bad. You know what? We did hit this high on ES. We hit that high. Right here, let's see if we did on NQ. No, we didn't. Yes, we did actually. But still, we didn't hit this high. So actually, if we hit, I'm not gonna lie. If we hit this high, I might go in for another trade. I legitimately might go for another trade. Definitely inverse this 5 minute. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, no, we got 1 minute till this 5 minute gets inverse. We could either see a break of structure or yeah, looks like an inverse right here. So if this gets inverse and we get a retracement, that's beautiful. But it has to hit this. It has to hit this. If not, I'm not gonna trade. Let's see. Yeah. So if it's that, let's see. Break of structure. Probably go right here. Short. Let's do a scale out. Doing 5 micros. Yeah, this BR. Oh, this is. Oh, not gonna lie. No, shorts. Low key look good. If it can, y'all, come on. Look at all these three stacked up right here. 1, 2, 3, and if it gets hit, I'm gonna go in for the shorts. I'm not gonna lie. These shorts are looking good. If I'm looking back at it and I'm like, oh, why is he taking that short? I'm not gonna lie. Right now, as of this moment, shorts look good. Yeah. So I want to inverse it, and these look like good areas to target. My TP looks like, and we could target these lows too. Yeah. So yeah. You guys saw me. I mean, I know I'm breaking my rules, but that was like that was like a not even like that was a trade, yes. But was it like a trade, like a serious trade? No, I took that strap off of one micro. It was like, and I was like, if it better boom up, if because if it broke this high, if it ain't booming up, then it ain't booming up. You know what I mean? Look at that. We about to break structure right now. Like literally right now. Like come on, chat. We about to break structure right now. So yeah, we'll break structure, guys. Green to red equilibrium, and I'll get back to you when we take that long. I mean, when we take that short and we take in the trade. All right, so I was low key right on the first one, but I will say this: I was not really looking for longs. Like I said, if we go up, we can continue to go up. I was, I did say that, but um, looks like I just generally don't like taking longs on one of all time highs, so I'm not really gonna do that. Um, but yeah, we're just ripping up. I mean, I was right. I took the long like right here. Yeah, literally right here, and we just stopped me out. I mean, it stopped. And I really didn't stop a lot of people. If they had the stop loss smartly placed, then yeah. But looks like they earned it. Would have hit full TP. It's fine. It's fine. I really don't care. It was just one micro. Um, you know, I mean, smart. Longs were definitely smart to do here. I did see someone, did see a professional trader take shorts, so and I saw no two people take shorts, so I'm happy off of that. It's not gonna give me any shorts as of now. It's smart to look for longs if you wanted to. No, I mean, you don't have to wait a while. I mean, I don't know. If you want to take longs, take longs. Um, that's it for today. I guess one trader done. I was ready to take a short because I thought the short was gonna look awesome. I did say, looking back, Joshua, what were you thinking? But I was thinking smartly and gratefully, and thankfully it didn't enter me in a trade, so that it can just quickly stop me out and do this. Like imagine it went down, it went all the way down just to grab me, and it's boom, like it literally did the cock and balls pattern. Like come on, bro. But no, the what? Yeah, the look at that. Come on, like, all right, sorry. But yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What do we have tomorrow, real quick? Just some more for the news. Be careful at 9:40. I'm gonna eat. I'm ready. Ooh, the boys. All right. Yeah, peace out, guys.